Unit Travel's team has prepared something new for you. A tool to take away even more headaches and make your work twice as flawless. In this video, we will explain to you what is exactly the Hotel Analyzer, how can you get access to it, and we will show you how easy it is to use this tool to assist you in your everyday duties. Let's see how it works. First of all, we will need the Unit Pixel downloaded. Go to the menu, Customer Marketing, Unit Pixel. Then click on Download the extension. Add the extension to your browser. After installation, we recommend pinning it for quick access in the upper right corner of your browser. Click this button, and now Unit Pixel is always at your fingertips. When you are done downloading the extension, you can go to any tour operator's webpage that supports the Unit Pixel solution. You can check the list on the Pixel page. Then, after finding the offers that could interest your clients, you will see an icon with a plus on a black background. Click on it and you will see that this offer was added to your Pixel selection. Let's add a few more offers to make sure the client has a wide tour and hotel choice, and when we are done, let's get to the Analyzer tool. Now, open the Unit Pixel window, where all the selected offers have been added. Here you can filter this list by category and delete unnecessary offers. After you finish forming the list, you need to transfer it to the Unit account. To do this, click the Save to Unit button and add the list to an existing collection or create a new one. Then click Save. You can find the selection by clicking My Selections. By clicking on the suitcase on the main page, or in the main menu under Work with Clients, Selections. Click on the selection and let's see how the Analyzer works. Next to the Alternatives icon, you will see the icon that we have been looking for, Hotel Analyzer. Click on it, and it will redirect you to the Analyzing page. Here, you can generate a free report on the hotel to see whether it is suitable for your clients, or it is better not to recommend it for them. If needed, you can add a further hotel or multiple ones to make a comparison and a report on them. Or you can even go to the hotels page to choose a different offer if this one is unattractive. Let's see what such a report looks like. If you want a simple review on the hotel, then leave this field empty. Click Generate Free Report. What happens at this moment? The system analyzes all the given reviews from tourists or travel agents, looks for advantages and disadvantages of the hotels, common inconveniences and pleasant surprises that the travelers had. After, it gives you all the data so that you can make your own decision to keep it on the selection or change the hotel to a different one. If you don't like the hotel based on the review, you can look for alternative hotels after clicking on this icon. Or you can simply delete the hotel from the selection. Now let's see what happens if we specify the tourists and their preferences. For example, a family vacation with 2 children, 14 and 18 years old, diving opportunity for the younger sibling, and a disco for the 18 years old one. In this case, next to the hotel review, you can also see how well the client preferences match the hotel. In this case, it is only 34%. It detected the positive matches, the issues, and gave you a summary, all in under a minute. But what if the married couple is willing to go without their children, and the father wants a sports club and the mother a hairdresser's? In this case, the matching percentage is 91, which means that the hotel is probably the perfect case scenario, and the agent can bravely offer it to the travelers. And you get all the information in less than 45 seconds. The video has ended, and if you want to know what other great stuff you can do with the Unit Pixel, go ahead and watch the dedicated video. In case you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team directly.